तो पिला माने जूलोजी रे टार्गेट 35 रु 35 सेट 5 ग्रुप ए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फर्टिलाइजेशन occurs in uterus vagina fallopian tube ovary उत्तर है fallopian tube. How many pairs of contrasting characters in P pod was chosen by Mendel? 2 3 4 7 उत्तर है 7. Middle piece of sperm contains mitochondria and Golgi body, axial filament and Golgi body, mitochondria and axial filament, centriole and Golgi body, उत्तर है mitochondria and axial filament. In 28 days human ovarian cycle, ovulation takes place typically on 5th day of the cycle, 1st day of the cycle, 14th day of the cycle, 28th day of the cycle, उत्तर है 14th day of the cycle, which is present only in male mammal, Copper's gland, Bartholin's gland, perineal gland, sebaceous gland, उत्तर है Copper's gland. Where are Leydig cells found and what is their secretion? Pancreas and glycogen, liver and cholesterol, testis and testosterone, ovary and estrogen, उत्तर है testis and testosterone. Corpus luteum is formed by stromal cell, thecal cell, follicle cell, germinal cell, उत्तर है follicle cell. Medical termination of pregnancy is considered safe up to how many weeks of pregnancy? 8 weeks, 12 weeks, 18 weeks, 6 weeks, उत्तर है 12 weeks. The technique called gamete intrafallopian transfer is recommended for those females who cannot produce an ovum, who cannot retain the fetus inside uterus, whose cervical canal is too narrow to allow passage for the sperms, who cannot provide suitable environment for fertilization. Answer above, who cannot retain the fetus inside uterus. The best method to improve the genetic quality of mankind is marriage restriction, sterilization, control of immigration, sexual separation of defectives. उत्तर है sexual separation of defectives. Genes for color blindness in man is located on X chromosome only, Y chromosome only, either X or Y chromosome, both X and Y chromosome. तो पिला माने तुम जानछ color blindness होची गोटे X linked recessive character, तेणु तुमरो आंसर अब X chromosome only. Down syndrome is a typical case of trisomy, newlysomy, gene mutation, monosomy, उत्तर अब trisomy. Newborn infant who receives IgA from its mother's milk develop naturally acquired active immunity, artificially acquired active immunity, naturally acquired passive immunity, artificially acquired passive immunity, उत्तर अब naturally acquired passive immunity. Non-specific immunity includes all of the following except immunoglobulin, lysozyme, interferons, neutrophils, उत्तर अब interferons. Which of the following organs is most essential for proper immune maturation and functioning? Spleen, liver, thyroid, thymus, उत्तर अब thymus. Vaccination are an example of naturally acquired active immunity, artificially acquired active immunity, naturally acquired passive immunity, artificially acquired passive immunity, उत्तर है artificially acquired active immunity. Next question पिला माने अछि cDNA is circular DNA, coiled DNA, cytoplasmic DNA, complementary DNA, उत्तर है complementary DNA. Extra chromosomal DNA used as vector in gene cloning is transposon, intron, plasmid, exon, उत्तर है plasmid. Group B रे कौन कौन क्वेश्चन अछि पिला माने देखितबा. Write note on menstrual cycle. What are the application of DNA fingerprinting? What do you understand by transcription? Describe the major steps which occur during this process. What is HIV? What is primordial soup or prebiotic soup? Difference कौन पड़छि देखितबा. Carcinoma and sarcoma, vaccination and immunization, renewable resources and non renewable resources. Long question पिला माने पड़छि. Describe the barrier and surgical method of birth control. Explain the mechanism of chromosomal basis of sex determination. Describe the chromosomal basis of sex determination in human, honeybee and bird. Write short note on seminiferous tubule, Down syndrome, thalassemia, greenhouse effect. बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पिला माने क्वेश्चन गुड़िक पड़ी. तुम यार आंसर गुड़िक सब लिखि दियो. मो चैनल को आसिकी वीडियो गुड़िक देखी बारंबार देखिले तुम्हें बुझीपार और टेलीग्राम डायरेक्ट नोट गुड़िक डाउनलोड करके लिखिपार. तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे पिला माने डिस्कसन करवा सेट 6.